When did you get your first Rubik's Cube?
你几岁拿到你的一个魔方
6岁，
？When he was 6.
Right. So how many Rubik's Cubes do you have?
500多个。
Around 500.
500. That's a lot of Rubik's Cubes. Is that 499 broken ones and one good one?
他说你有499坏的和一个好的。
How long do you think it would take me to solve a Rubik's Cube?
还原不了。
He said you couldn't do it in a million years' time.
You're right. So, can you show us how you do it? Can we see you do
给我
it?
们看吗？
是睁着眼睛吗？
不要。Did you want him to be blindfolded?
Sorry?
He said he asked if he can do it blindfolded.
Are you serious? He can do it blindfolded.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
不要。
Follow me for more.